for the most part, how I adjust this on a daily basis is increasing or decreasing diets because animals are under or overweight, or like adding these preferences in. So if like Madagascar emails me and says, you know, the II are really leaving a lot of their turnips, can we limit that in the diet? So that's when I would go in and edit this. Or if an animal is pregnant or like just gave birth. So most of it, what I do on a daily basis is just kind of adjusting the diets based on the animal's needs. But also kind of, sometimes they'll come to me and say, you know, can we just introduce something else, like because we haven't given them a new item in a while. And so then I can work with the kitchen to see what we have. I can work with the keepers to see what that particular animal likes. And then we can come up with different options to add. And then I would just go into the database on my end and add that item so they start getting it every other day or 2 times a week or something like that. I can check, like if somebody only gets something like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I can adjust that in here. Our IIs don't particularly like turnips, so I can make a note in here that says don't make this 50% turnip because they won't eat it.